Hi there, here we have a late 2017 67 reg Mitsubishi L200. This is a Titan. It's a 2.4 turbo diesel. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got a colour-coded hardtop canopy on there as well. Nice spec. It's got alloy wheels on there, and I'll take you around and show you it. Got the side steps. Good tyres on it. The chassis looks good. Got a fitted Towbar, fitted Bodyliner, several clamps either side holding the hardtop on. You can remove the hardtop, no trouble at all. If you don't want it, it's got roof bars up there on that hardtop. So it's got these Yokohamas on it all the way around, all good, plenty of tread there. So inside, digital climate control. It's a digital radio, 52,328 miles, 6-speed manual gearbox, auxiliary plug-in. You can do the stereo on the steering wheel. It's got cruise control, telephone control, electric mirrors. It's got lane control there, just to warn you if you're moving out or going on the wrong side of the road. Traction control, 4-door electric windows, airbags in the driver's seat, selectable 4-wheel drive, so it runs 2-wheel drive, rear wheels are driving, just select 4-wheel drive low as and when you need it. Nice roomy cabin, good working utility truck. In the rear, Isofix seating in the rear, centre belt there as well, nice enough. Trim's all good. So nice mileage, and we'll MOT it. I can't remember exactly the MOT situation. If it's short, we'll have a new MOT on there. We'll service it, and it's available here at Cross Country 4x4. You're more than welcome to come and view this track, test drive it, and come and meet us, meet the track, touch the track, smell the track. A much better way to buy the vehicles. But saying that, we can arrange to have it delivered to your area. We just need your postcode to work out the costs on that. We can arrange quotes on finance, and we'll consider a part exchange. So please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.